Hey, this is the one and only storyteller coming to you from out here at the old truck. I guess today is going to be the day. We're going to try and start it here in just a little bit. I went and got the gas this morning, about 10 gallons worth of gas. Fresh, good old E85 or 87, whatever it is these days. Yeah, I'll be able to clog something up by the time I get ready to drive it every day. So, but you know, that's how it is. That's how it goes. We got the battery. Battery is completely charged up, or as of last night. We did get the new windshield washer container cleaned up, and it's ready to go. We got new lines. I don't know if I mentioned that before. We got new lines, a new connector. That's ready to go. We did put on the headlight bezels. As you can tell, that's ready to go. So yeah, we're moving right along. We're getting things done slowly but surely. What else we got? Oh, we did vinyl dye the visors black. Also did the dash. As you'll see in earlier videos, this was tan. Now it's dyed black, so that's good. I have the headliner and the new door panels coming. That'll completely take care of the inside. I already have a new glove box. Have to paint the lid. I do have the new bumpers. I do have the glove box light. Yeah, cat's been on the dash here, as you can tell. So gotta love that. So at least I can say the paint was cured. So it's looking good. It's looking good. Looking good. We're looking good. Yeah, that rooster, man. Yay for the rooster. Alright, I'm back. So I just wanted to show you a little bit today. The decals did come in. There's the emissions decal for the valve cover. I don't know if you can see that or not. And LMC is usually where I buy my stuff from. Here is the 351 2 valve, 2 barrel usually. There's that. I did buy a new, a brand new rod and a wing nut for the carburetor. And this is the jack instructions. I don't know if you can see that or not. The jack instructions for that truck. So yeah, we're doing good. We got most everything here, and most everything ready to go. So we're getting there, folks. Slowly but surely. We're gonna get there. We're gonna make this puppy go. I'll be glad. I talked to a good friend of mine, Mr. Joe, last night. He is running down more parts for the Mustang that I will need. He's probably, I think he said he's been collecting Mustang parts 69 and 70 for about 23, 24 years. I've never seen so many parts in my life. So I gave him a list of the things that I needed, and he's gonna run them down. So I'm getting close enough that I'm comfortable with buying parts for the Mustang. Here's the doors. You see them in a previous video, but they got dirt on them now. And more cat prints, as you can tell. So yeah, they're done. I just need to put the hardware in them. Attach them to the truck. We are going to put carpet on the bottom part of this. We are applying carpet. I get that from LMC for about $30 for both of them. So yeah, we're good. We're gonna make this puppy roll, you know. So yeah, it's coming along. I appreciate y'all coming by today, and I'll start another video after it's running. And I wish I tried to play with the GoPro, and I can't get it to work. The wife don't really have time to film, so you know, I'm kind of one-man band, so I really would like to bring y'all along, and I really would like to get you involved more, but run into a little good and bad problem. I put antifreeze in it, put gas in it, poured a little gas down the carburetor. Believe it or not, it fired up on the third crank. Run strong, run fine, no knocking, oil pressure came up. I noticed there was a leak right here. I tried to use the original squeeze clamps, but that wasn't tight enough, so I cut the engine off. And I put a alligator clamp, as we call it. Screw clamp, as other people call them. So, went back inside. Started up. It ran for about 15 seconds. I noticed there was more stuff coming out, so I had to come back out here and put the second alligator clamp on there. So that ended all the leakage, or leaking. So I thought, well, okay, we're good to go now. It did start run smooth, oil pressure, everything sounded great. So I got ready to get back in it, and this happened. I don't know. I hate electrical work. But I have the ignition key just swinging here because I painted the dash, of course. And you get ready to hit it. Nothing. It's dead to the world. I have the windshield wipers on to let me know when we get connection. So I don't think the switch needs to be grounded. I don't think that makes up a ground there. I mean, I could be wrong, I guess, but I have to check the schematic and see. So I don't know. Kind of got me confused here. If you take, I thought, well, maybe, maybe it was the battery. So if you look here, I'm going to put the red over here, the black over here. We have a set on 20 volts. Comes down to 1262. So we know the battery's good. If you put the black there, and you put the red on the solenoid, if you can see it, it comes up 1262. So we know the power's coming out of the battery to the solenoid. So I looked at the solenoid, it seems to be fine. The only thing I'm thinking is maybe, if you can see it, this is a fusible link that feeds power to the instrument panel. So I'm thinking that maybe that fusible link kind of went south for the winter. So that's the reason why I brought, what in the world did I do with it? Oh yeah, that's the reason why I brought this right here out. I know y'all seen these, a probe. So that's where I'm headed next. Man, I thought, man, I fixed the gas problem. Oh my gosh, the next time it starts, it's going to be able to run till it warms up, and we're going to see what this puppy's got. But that ain't so. It just ain't so. So I don't know. I really don't know. I'm kind of befuddled right now. So we're gonna check into it, and we're gonna see what the problem is, and we'll be back. See y'all.